Consider the first 100 natural numbers. How many of them are not divisible by any of the numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. In the first 100 natural numbers, means student will start irritating about the question because they will think that, okay, is it divisible by, they will start thinking 1, 2, 3, 4 and up so on up to 100. Okay, so is it divisible by 2 or not, 3 or not, 5 or not, 7 or not? They will start thinking it. Then it is a waste of time. Okay, so point one that you have to note is, so you need to divisible or not divisible. That is the important point, not divisible. If a number is not divisible by 3, automatically it is not divisible by 9, right or no? Suppose if you take a number 14, it is not divisible by 3, automatically it is not divisible by 9. No need to verify both. Okay. Now you have to take a number 2, which is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7. Which is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7. Right. He is asking up to 100, right? So the fun here is, I have explained you in number system how do we identify the prime numbers. Okay, how do we identify the prime number? Suppose if you want the prime numbers below 100, if you want to verify is 100 is a prime number or not, then just square root of it. Square root means it is 10, right? Actually, suppose if I take 99 or something or 101 something, it lies between two range, right? The lower one if you take, okay, exactly 100 means perfect square, so you will get 10 only. Write the prime numbers below 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. You will say that a number is a prime number if it is not divisible by these four. Okay, you are asking the same question, which are not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7. Means indirectly you are saying that you need prime numbers. Yes or no? What is a prime number? How can you verify that? Suppose 90, we know that 97 is a prime number, right? How do we do? How do we identify it is a prime number? Just find the square root of it. It lies between 9 and 10, right? Okay, write the prime numbers below 9. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, if it is not divisible by any of these four, it's a prime number. If it is divisible by at least one, it is not a prime number. Our question is, it should not be divisible by any of the four. That means that definitely you need only the prime numbers. Okay. Sir, I know that 1 to 100 we have 25 prime numbers. Students thinking that sir 25 is not there, your concept is wrong. Again, it's a foolishness. Because it should not be divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7. Now, among the 25 prime numbers, you have to remove 2, 3, 5 and 7. Yes or no? Those you have to remove now 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, out of 25 numbers, you have to remove 4. So you got 21, right? Immediately students starting answering as 21, 21, 21. Again, it's the wrong answer. Why? Because, so these 21 numbers consist of, normally the prime numbers consist of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and so on up to 97, right or wrong? In that, these are 25 numbers of which you remove the first 4, so now you got 21. He is not asking about the prime numbers. He is asking that from first to 100 natural numbers. From the first 100 natural numbers means, suppose 1 is a natural number. Observe that the peculiarity of 1 is, 1 is not divisible, 1 is not a prime number, so you are not counting in it. But 1 is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7. So that you have to add manually. Okay, so how many numbers are there? 22 numbers are there. How many numbers are there? 22 numbers. So answer is C is the answer. Understood, my dear boys and girls? That's a beauty. That's a small twist that he has given in the question. Let's see the next beautiful one. 4 is less than or equals to x is less than or equal to 8 and 2 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 7. Then what is the ratio of the maximum value of x plus y to minimum value of x minus y? So first you have to calculate the maximum value of x plus y. X plus y. The point is x, when x plus y is maximum. The beauty is, in between the plus is there, so definitely x should be maximum and y should also be maximum. The maximum value of x is 8. The maximum value of y is 7. 8 plus 7 is how much? 15. So the maximum value is 15. Superb. And minimum value of x minus y. Okay. X minus y, you need the minimum value, right? Okay. So x is suppose my income, y is my expenditure. X minus y is nothing but my savings because income minus expenditure. He's asked me x minus y is minimum, means least savings I want. Means my income should be less. If my income is less, automatically it will be less, right? Okay, that's why x should be minimum. To get minimum savings, okay, my expenditure should be greatest, right? So y should be maximum. Okay, x should be minimum and y should be maximum. Just a second. Okay. 1 hour completed almost. Oh, nice. So the minimum value of x is 4 and the maximum value of y is 7. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. That is the minimum value of x minus y. He's asking about the ratio between these two. So Answer is minus 15 by 3 is the answer. Okay. So that is nothing but minus 5 is the answer. What's the answer? Minus 5. That is not there. So answer is none of this. None of the above. Right. So the next beautiful one. Let both P and K be prime numbers such that P square plus K is also a prime number less than 30. Okay. P square plus K is less than 30. Okay. What is the number of possible values of K? Just a second. Right. Both P and K are prime numbers, right? Observe that. Observe that. The point is P square plus K is also a prime number less than 30. Let me check the prime numbers less than 30. Okay. The numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Actually, no need to write. But for my explanation comfort, I'm writing it. So you need a prime number less than 30, right? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So both becoming even is a possibility or not if you observe? Both are even numbers is a possibility or not? No, sir. Because two prime numbers are not even. Only one is a even number, right? So that's why I should not take it. I should not take it. Okay. So then what happens? Both are odd numbers is a possibility or not if you check. Okay. Odd plus odd is odd number. Oh, fine. It's happy. One even, one odd is a possibility or not, we have to check. This is even or odd, or this is odd and this is even. Not a possible sum. If you take odd plus even, okay. So odd plus odd is, sorry, if you take this is odd and this is odd, sum should be even, right? Okay, odd plus odd. Suppose 3 plus 5 is 8, even number. 2 is the only even prime number. P square plus K will not be 2, right or wrong? Because those two are also prime numbers. Okay, if you square it and if you add, it is not a possibility to get 2, right? That's why both becoming is odd is not a possibility. So all the remaining are odd numbers, right? That means that you have to take one odd number and one even number. Okay, one odd and one even number. So definitely the even number is only 2, right? Okay. Now I'm verifying 2 is here some cases, 2 is here some other cases. K becoming 2 is another cases. I will verify. Okay. At each and every possibility I have to check. 2 square is 4. Okay, 2 square is 4. K is also a prime number, right? Okay, one odd prime number. If I take 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Yes, is a prime number. Happy. If it is a 5, so no. I should not take 2. If I take P value as 2, I have to take 2 square, right? 2 square means how much are 4. Okay, good. 4 plus K is 5 is 9. 9 is not a prime number, so it should not be. But it can be 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, right? K can take a value of 3. Okay, fine. So this is a value because my question is find the possible values of K only, right? Number of possible values. Okay. So if it is 4, I'm checking only with 2. 3 verified, 5 verified. Now 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Yes, it's a prime number. So I can take 7 also. Okay. Next one. So both P and K are prime numbers such that, okay, good. Yeah, good. So next one. So 7 tried. Now next 11 if I try. 4 plus 11 is 15, not a prime number. Leave it. 13 if I take. 4 plus 13 is 17. Yes, it's a prime number. So 13 is a possibility. If I take 17, 4 plus 17 is 21 is not a prime number. If I take 19, 4 plus 19. Okay. Z equals to 23 is a prime number. So 19 it can take. So next one, if I take 23, 4 plus 23 is 27, not a prime number. Leave it. 4 plus 29 is cross 30. So I should not take it. Okay, when I take P is equals to, the values of K are 3, 7, 3, 19. Okay, means 1, 2, 3, 4 values I got. Okay, good. Now I'm assuming that K is 2. K is 2. Okay. If K is 2, okay, so this is not a possibility to get now. Okay. P square plus K, in that K is 2, right? 2. I'm equating to 3, suppose. Then P square is equal to 1. P should be 1. 1 is not a prime number, right? So that is not a possibility. So equal to, next one 5 if I take, P square is 3, P square is 3 means P is not a prime number, so leave it. Okay, 5 I should not take. 7 if I take, so move the 2 this side, it will be 5. 5 is not a prime number. So that means that simply speaking, P square is equal to prime number minus 2, right? Prime number minus 2 means 1, 3, 5, 9, 11, 15, 17, 21 and 27. Okay, it should be P square, right? P square means this is a possibility. Okay, means P can take a value of 3. Okay, 3 is also a prime number. So definitely I can take 2 as a possibility of K. The possible values means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many possible values are there? Only 5 possible values are there for P. So it is B is the answer. Understood, my dear boys and girls? Right, so next beautiful one. There are n sets of natural numbers, each having only 3 positive integers with LCM equal to 1001 and HCF is equal to 1. What is the value of n? Observe the option 6, 7, 8 and more than 8. More than 8. Observe that. If you go to the prime factorization of 1001, 1001, it is not prime factorization I'm going. It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 7 or not? I'm verifying. 7 ones are 7. 30 means 7 fours. 21 means 7 threes. Yes, it is. So you know 1 4 3, right? 11 13s. Okay, good. So now I got 1001 is equals to 7 power 1 into 11 power 1 into 13 power 1, and I can write additionally 1 power 1 into also. Okay. So the point he is asking is HCF is 1, right? HCF is 1. Observe these two co-primes, any two numbers, these two co-primes, these two co-primes, these two co-primes, these two co-primes, these two co-primes. Co-primes, so definitely everywhere the HCF is 1 only. Sorry, the HCF will be 1 only. Means if I take any one, oh my god, waste. No. Okay. If I take any combination of 2 numbers or 3 numbers, okay, or 4 numbers even, so definitely its HCF will be how much? 1. Okay. So now our target I'm taking in such a way that the product I have to get 1001, HCF is 1. Like that I'm thinking the numbers. Okay. So one number I have to leave now. Okay. That number what I will take is if I remove 1. So 7 into 11 into 7, 11 and 13 if I take 3 numbers. Not into 7, 11, 13 if I take. Yes, it's LCM is matching. Okay. So if I remove 1, that is you will get. If I remove 7, then what happens is 1, 11 and 13 if I take, its LCM will not be 1001. That's why I should not leave other than 1, I should not leave. Okay. Two numbers product if I take. 7 into 1, 7 into 11, 7 into 13. Yes, these will have. Okay. So next one. So why should I take 7 into 1, 7 into 11 and 7 into 10? Always with 7. Go with 11. 11 into 1. 11 into 7. 11 into 13. Yes, its LCM will also be the same. Okay. Now, why should I take 11? Take 13. 13 into 1. 13 into 7. 13 into 11. Okay. This one also you will get the same. Okay. Now you're taking 1, 1 and 2, 2, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 already you got. 6, 7, 8 and more than 8 if you observe. Now I'm taking 3, 3 combination at a time. Okay. So 1, 7, 11, 77. 7, 11, 13, 1001. And that means I'm multiplying. Okay. The other combination I can take is 1, 11 and 13 if I take. 143. Yes, its LCM will also be the same. Okay. Now 3 numbers I have taken. 1, 7 and 11 I have taken. Next 7, 11 and 13, right? 1001. Next one I have taken is 1, 11 and 13, right? Why should I take that one? Okay, 1, 7 and 13 I will take, 91. So here also you will get the same, right? Here also you will get the same. Okay, next. So 3 numbers combination now. 1, 7 and 11 if I take, 77. Now 7, 11 and 13 if I take, 1001. Okay. Now if I go for, why should I go with earlier 91 means 13 into 7, 13 into 11, right? Okay. Okay, now I'll take 13 into 7 into 11 already I have taken now. There are n sets of natural numbers each having only 3 positive integers. Okay, 3 positive integers only he said. Okay, he's not specifying that those should be distinct, right? Okay, then no, I should not because HCF should be 1, right? Okay, good. So this is enough. Now 1, 7 with 7 combinations I have taken. Now I'll take the 11 also. 11 into 7 is 77. 11 into 7 into 13 is 1001. Okay. 11 into 13, 143. 11 into 7 is 77. Oh, already it's also completed now. Okay, good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we got. How many we got? 6 only we got. Okay. The numbers are Three numbers, there are n sets of natural numbers, each having only 3 positive digits. Okay. Good. I'm going with the combinations, some other combinations. One is one number I'm taking. 7 into 11 is 77. 7 into 13 is 91. Okay. 7, 11, and 13. Yes, its LCM will also be the same, right? That is not included there. One is one possibility. Okay. Now you take 7 into 11 and 7 into 13, right? Okay. Right. 11 into 7, if I take 77. 11 into 13, if I take 143. Yes, you will get the HCF as HCF as 1 and LCM as 1001. Okay. Right. Good. Now, another possibility, simply speaking, 1 and 1001 if I take. Okay. Other number you can take as 7. 1001 and other number as 11, 1001, other number as 13. Everywhere you will get the same HCF, right? Same HCF 1 and same LCM 1001, right or wrong? Now, like that, I can go with combinations. 1, 1001, take the product. 7 into 11, 7 into 13, 11 into 13. Like that, combinations, you can take the third one. So now, how many possibilities you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my God, more than 8 you got, right? So no need to check the remaining. So happily the answer is how much are? More than 8 is the answer. D is the answer. Got it? This is the next beautiful one. Right. PQR be a 3-digit number, PPT be a 3-digit number, and PS be a 2-digit number, where PQRST are distinct non-zero digits. This is important. All are distinct non-zero digits. Further, PQR minus PS is equals to PPT, where Q is equal to 3 and T is less than 6, then what is the number of possible values of R and S? Is asking about the possible values of R and S. Okay, right. Observe that. Observe that. It's a 3-digit number, right? P is in hundreds place. So 100P. Q is in tens place and the value of Q is 3, right? Replace with 3. So 3 in tens place means 30. Plus R is in units place means R, minus P is in tens place means 10P, plus S is equals to P is in hundreds place means 100P, plus P is in tens place means 10P, plus T, right? Because T is in units place. 100P gets cancelled. Minus 10P, if you segregate, it will be 20P. Move the T this side, 30 plus R plus S minus T. Minus T. Right. Now he's asking about the R and S possible values of R and S. The beauty is this value is 20P. 20P. P is definitely a natural number, right? So it can take 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? If it is 120, 2 means 40, 3 means 60, means this value should be 20, 40, 60, etc., 20 multiple. So now what the thing I can observe is this value can be either 20 or 40 or 60, like that I have to verify, right? Like that I have to verify, right? Suppose if it need to become 40, then R plus S minus T should be how much are 10? R plus S minus T. R and S are digits, right? Each digit consists of 1 to 9 only, right? Okay, 1 to 9 and 1 to 9. If you add it, the sum will be 2 to 18. And now you have to remove T, right? Okay. So then if I remove T, then what happens is 2 to 18 now. T will take a value, good. Okay. So 1 to 9, right? So the minimum value means it can be 17. Means 10 it can take, one possibility. Okay. The other possibility, if R plus S minus T is minus 10, you will get 20, right or wrong? Okay. Then you can say that R plus S minus T is equals to 10. If it is 10, then 30 plus 10 will be 40. P will take a value of 2. Okay. The other possibility is R plus S minus T is equal to minus 10. Okay. 30 minus 10 means 20. Then in that case, P is equal to how much are 1. 2 cases you have to verify. How many cases you have to verify? 2 cases. Now I am verifying the cases one by one. Observe that. Okay. So this is not a useful one, right? Okay. And T is less than 6. That is an important case. Right. Write the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. And that because P, Q are distinct non-zero digits. So no 0. And Q is equal to 3. So no digit will repeat, right? So 3 should not be repeated. Okay. Now T is less than 6, right? Okay. So I'm verifying the second case. Second case means P is equal to how much here? 2. Okay, 2 is also I'm removing. What I'm removing is 2. Right, now observe that. Now observe that. So P is 2 now. T is less than 6. Suppose T I'm taking as 1. Okay, what is the value I'm taking? T is equal to 1. If T is equal to 1, then what happens here? R plus S is equals to 10 plus T now. T is equal to how much? 1. T is equal to 1 means it will be how much here? 11 is the value. Okay, so 11. R plus S is equals to 11. 11 means the values where you will get is 9 and 2, 8 and 3, 7 and 4 if you observe. Yes or no? In that, the beauty is 9 and 2 you are unable to take because already P has taken 2 value. 8 and 3 you are unable to take because already Q will take 3 value. 7 and 4 if you take, okay, 7 and 4 both are vacant. Okay, so the value of, he's asking about R and S, right? R and S if you take. So R is how much? R and S are 7 and 4, one possibility you got. Okay, so T1 if I take, this is the possibility. If I take T is equal to 2, if I take, sorry, T is equal to 2 is not a possibility, right? So now I'm taking T is equal to 3. Okay, if I take T is equal to 3, now this T is equal to 1, I have to rule out now. Okay, ruling out. So even, sorry, T is equal to 3 is not a possibility because already it is taking Q, right? So now T is equal to 4 if I take. Okay, then what happens is 10 plus T, right? 10 plus 4 means 14. R plus S is equal to 14 means the values that you will get, where you will get 14 is 9 and 5 is one possibility. 8 and 6 are another possibility. So any other possibility? 7 and 7 is another possibility, which is not a possibility because 7 and 7 means both are equal, all are distinct. That should not be. 9 and 5 are vacant, fine. 8 and 6 are also vacant. So it can take 9, 5 and 8, 6 also. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now T is equal to 5 if I take. T4 completed now. 10 plus 5 means 15 it is. 15 means the values that it can take are 9 and 6 is 15. 8 and 7 is 15. The same only you will get. Okay. 9 and 8, 6 if you take. Okay, 9 and 6 if you take. So R and S. 9 and 6 both are vacant, right? 9 and 6 are vacant. Okay, 9 and 6 are vacant. Just T is taking 5 only. Okay, 8 and 7 are also vacant, right? Okay, 8 and 7 also vacant. So what is the number of possible values of R and S? He is asking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already I got 5 values. How many possibilities I got? 5 possibilities. 5 possibilities means answer I can conclude it directly. It is more than 4. What's the answer here? More than 4. Okay. So verify once. 30 plus R plus S is equal to 20P. When P is equal to 2, it is 40, right? So 40 means it is R plus S minus T is equal to 10. R plus S is equal to 10 plus T. Yes, it is. So more than 4 values are possible. So definitely answer is 4th option. Right. So the next beautiful one. Yeah, this is the easiest question he gave. So the pattern, if you observe, triple C if you observe, double B if you observe, you will get the answer. A, B, B, triple C. A, B, B, triple C. A, B, B, triple C. Right or wrong? Okay. So what are the B, C, B, A, C? So answer is C is the answer. Okay. So the next beautiful one. P is the brother of Q and R. P is the brother to whom Q and R, but I don't know the gender of Q and R. These three are siblings. S is R's mother. R's mother means definitely for these three it is mother. She is mother. S is mother. P is P's father. P's father means definitely for these three. Okay, who is the father? P is the father. Okay, that means that these two are wife and husband. Okay. How many of the following statements are definitely true? S and T are couple. Yes, definitely it is true. Okay, S and T are couple. So first one is true. Q is T's son. How can I say that Q is son? He can be a female, right? Then she, right? So this is a possibility or not a possibility? Leave it. T is Q's father. Who is T? T's father. Yes. Q's father is T. Yes. Q's father is T, definitely. So third one is valid. S is P's mother. Yes, S is mother to whom P. Yes, it is. Fourth one is valid. R is T's daughter. How can you say that R is a daughter? Okay, that's why this I count. P is S son. Yes, son is P, definitely. So how many are correct? 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. So only 4. So that is the answer is C. Okay.